Hello everyone, hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome again to my channel, Learning English with Mala. In this video, we'll talk about the difference between two verbs, do and make. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. So now, let's start. Make is used to talk about creating something. So if you are creating something, you express that by using the verb make. Let's show some examples. Make pasta. In general, we use the verb make in cooking. Why? Because in cooking we are creating something that doesn't exist before. Make pasta, make sandwiches, make breakfast, make lunch, make dinner, etc. The second example is make a recommendation. It's the same thing. We are creating something that doesn't exist before. So it's your recommendation. We can say make a recommendation or make a reservation, etc. The third example is make a decision. Making a decision, it's your decision. So you're a creator. So you're creating something. So you express that by using the verb make. Make a decision. The fourth example is make a presentation. Making a presentation, it's when you are in front of your laptop and you are writing in the keyboard your presentation with a lot of slides and colorful colors, etc. Or in papers. Clear? So you are creating a presentation, a new presentation. Okay? We use the verb make. The fifth example is make a plan. So making a plan, it's your plan. So you're a creator. You create something new. A new plan. You're creating something new. So a new plan. So we use the verb make to express that. And last example is make an effort. Make an effort, it's your effort. So you are a creator. So you are creating an effort that doesn't exist before. Clear? All clear now about the first point of when we can use make? Let's move. Make also is used for actions caused by something. And I will explain all that in one phrase. To make someone. So to make someone, I can say it with the other way. So I say, you are caused by someone too. For example, to make someone cry. Or I can say, you are caused by someone to cry. All clear now? For example, to make someone cry, or you are caused by someone to cry. But the easiest way is this way, to make someone. So if you are caused by someone to do something, so we use the verb make. To make someone cry, to make someone work, to make someone laugh, to make someone happy, to make someone angry, to make someone sad, to make someone surprised. Any adjective or any verb you want next to someone. Clear? All clear? The second point of when we can use make, it's clear? Good. Now we'll move at the verb do. Do is used to talk about an action without any creating. So if you didn't create anything, we use the verb do to express that. Let's show some examples. For example, do sports. Actually, in this expression, there are many sports. But doing sports, there are just specifically kinds of sports. Kinds of sport that doesn't have a ball, and there are any teams. For example, do yoga or do aerobics. But with football, basketball, volleyball, baseball, etc., we use the verb play. Clear? The second example is do whistles. So actually you can say do whistles or you can say do dishes. And do dishes is the most common. So do dishes. We don't make a dish. We don't make a dish. No. We are just washing dishes. So we express this by using the verb do. The third example is do homework. So in this expression, you will say that you are creating a homework that doesn't exist before. But in homework, the homework is created by the teacher or someone else. So you must just complete. Homeworks are just completings. So you didn't create anything. You just complete. Clear? The fourth example is the representation. How we see here that I write an example with make and I said make representation. And now the representation. I will explain that. Making a presentation is when you are in front of your laptop or you are writing in your papers. Writing your presentation. So this step comes first. Next to the presentation, when you are in front of a lot of people and you talk about your presentation. So making a presentation comes first and doing a presentation comes next. And last example is do the wash. The most common expression is do the laundry. But also this, it's correct. Do the wash. Do the wash. So you didn't create any clothes. We didn't create anything. You just wash the clothes. So we use the verb do to express that. Clear? Thank you for watching. I hope to understand this video so well. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Goodbye. See you next time in next video.